Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Budget Blueprint. If you've ever gotten paid, looked at your account, and thought, where did all my money just go? Yeah, you're not alone. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the 7 places your money needs to go the second you get paid. Not only will this help you save more, but it'll also give you a clear roadmap to build wealth, reduce stress, and start actually getting ahead. Let's dive in. Grab a drink, grab a notebook. This one's important. 1. Emergency fund, your first line of defense. Alright, number 1. Before you pay anyone else, pay your future self. And that means building an emergency fund. This is your safety net for when not if life throws something at you. Flat tire, medical bill, job loss, whatever. If you don't have anything saved, start with $1,000. Just hit that first milestone. From there, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. If you spend $2,000 a month, your full fund should be somewhere around $6,000 to $12,000. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account. Out of reach, but easy to pull from if something serious happens. Trust me, this fund turns emergencies into inconveniences. 2. Fixed expenses, handle the basics. Next up. Take care of your non-negotiables. I'm talking about rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. You know, the stuff that keeps your life running. Make sure these are covered first, and ideally, they shouldn't eat up more than 50% of your income. If they do, it might be time to adjust, whether that's moving, cutting subscriptions, or meal planning smarter. You can't build wealth if the basics aren't handled. 3. Paying off debt, especially the ugly kind. Debt can be brutal. Especially credit card debt. If you've got it, this is where your money should be going next. There are 2 main strategies. The avalanche method, focus on the highest interest first. It's mathematically the fastest. The snowball method, focus on the smallest balance first. It's emotionally satisfying and helps you build momentum. There's no wrong choice. Just pick one and be aggressive. Throw extra income, side hustle money, tax returns, whatever you can, at it. The faster you pay it off, the faster you free up cash to build real wealth. 4. Short-term savings, for things you know are coming. Okay, this one's a game changer. Create savings buckets for the things you know are coming. Birthdays, car repairs, Christmas, new tires, weddings, vacations. These aren't surprises. They're just badly timed if you're not ready. So don't wait to be shocked. Be prepared. Set up separate savings accounts. Even if it's just folders in your banking app. Label them. Put a little in each one every month. Even $20 or $50 makes a difference. When the time comes, the money's already there. No stress. No credit cards. Just smooth sailing. 5. Long-term investing, where the wealth happens. Once the basics are covered and short-term stuff is handled, your money needs to grow. And that means investing. Start with your 401k if your job offers one. Especially if they match. That's free money. Always take the match. Then look at a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. If you're self-employed, check out a SEP IRA or solo 401k. You don't need to be a stock market expert. Just start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Things like VTI, VTSAX, or S/&P 500 trackers. Set it. Forget it. Add to it every paycheck. Aim to invest 15% of your income, and don't stress about timing the market. The goal is long-term consistency, not quick wins. 6. Personal growth and enjoyment, don't forget to live. Here's something people mess up. They either blow way too much on fun, or they feel guilty spending anything on themselves. You need to budget for things that feed your growth and happiness. That could be online courses, books, hobbies, gym memberships, traveling, or a nice dinner with someone you love. Set aside around 10% of your income for this stuff. And don't feel bad about it. If you're taking care of the essentials, you should be able to enjoy your life, too. Just make sure it's intentional. Not just endless impulse buys that don't add value. 7. Giving, make an impact. Last but not least, build generosity into your budget. This could be donations, tithing, helping a friend, supporting a cause you care about. Whatever resonates with you. Giving is powerful. It puts your money in perspective. It reminds you that even if you don't feel rich, you are in a position to make a difference. Start with 1 or 2% of your income. Or even just $20 a month. The habit matters more than the amount. Generosity builds gratitude. And gratitude is fuel for everything else in your financial journey. Wrap up. Let's run through that list one more time. Emergency fund. Fixed monthly expenses. Pay down debt. Short-term savings. Long-term investing. Personal growth and fun. Giving. That's the plan. That's how you take control of your money instead of letting it control you. If you follow this every single month, even on a small income, you'll be shocked at where you are in a year. This is how you stop surviving and start building. If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this breakdown. And let me know in the comments which of the 7 do you already have in place, and which one do you need to work on next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.